Hello and thanks for joining us here at Tesco Specialty Vehicles. In this video, we'll be going over the use and function of your vehicle's power generator. Remember that this video is not intended to take the place of your vehicle's owner's manual. Tesco Bus and Tesco Specialty Vehicles are not liable for any damage or injuries incurred from the improper use or operation of your vehicle and its equipment, as this video is for informational purposes only. Whenever you need to use your vehicle's outlets and equipment, you may not always have available power to connect to, in which you will want to use your vehicle's onboard generator. The most common model in our units is the Cummins Onan diesel or gasoline-powered generator. The fuel type will depend on what the chassis takes. While trailers may vary, most trailer generators will run on diesel. Check through your manual, literature, or consult your sales representative for your unit's specific fuel type if need be. However, no matter the fuel type, the function is generally the same. Note that when using your generator, do not plug in your shore power, nor should you power on the generator while the shore power is plugged in, as the overvoltage will cause damage to the equipment and electrical systems. You can refer to our help videos on using shore power for the setup and best practices of using it. The generator shares its fuel source with the vehicle. It is designed to not run if the fuel is lower than a quarter of a tank. This is to prevent the generator from accidentally using all of the fuel available, leaving the vehicle stranded. Before enabling any new power source, you'll want to turn on your battery cutoff switch, allowing the flow of power to the rest of the body. It is also important to make sure that both the air conditioning and heating systems are turned off, as to not trip your power breaker upon startup of any new power source. The controls for your generator will typically be mounted up on the bulkhead at the front of your vehicle's body. The panel will look a lot like the one shown here, featuring an LCD display and a single switch. Before we start our generator, you'll want to prime it, especially if it's cold. You can do this by holding down the switch in the stop position until the light on the switch turns on. Once illuminated, the generator is ready to start. To do so, hold down the switch in the start position. The light on the switch will begin to flash and will continue to do so until the generator starts. Once it does, the light will stay solid. Keep in mind that when attempting to start your generator in very cold temperatures, it may take up to 4 to 5 minutes, as the generator's glow plugs need to heat up to allow the generator to run. When you're done using your generator, simply hold down its switch in the stop position. The switch's light will turn off along with the generator itself. Note before turning off your generator to make sure that the air conditioning or heating systems are completely off first. The AC may run for up to around 5 minutes after the panel is turned off. Wait until it shuts down before turning off any power sources. If you're done using the body's equipment and electrical systems, don't forget to turn off your battery cutoff switch. And that is how to use your vehicle's power generator. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your specialty vehicle and the equipment on board, give us a call at 855-376-9797. Shoot us an email at support@tescosv.com, or visit the Help Center on our website where you can submit a contact form. For all of your specialty vehicle and equipment needs, choose Tesco Specialty Vehicles. Call, click, or visit today. Thanks for watching.